Right guys, edge shed, and we're having a little look now. That's what it looked like, and that's what it looks like now. My right hand man is he's on it. He's on it like he's in like Flynn, look. But unfortunately, it looks good. Is it when you're right in it? Yeah. Well, Lucas Maximus has he's been doing that, and I am over here. I'm not sure what's stand up there. But yeah, we have the doors. Those two are done, ready. Obviously they're not prepped on the outside, but they're prepped on the inside, ready for paint. We got two more to do on the other side, and obviously Luke's gone. He's gone for that front wing on that side. So when he's done that side, then obviously we're going to get this thing outside, and I'm going to have a go at doing the louvers maybe tomorrow. But for the minute, I think I'm just I'm tired and I want to go to bed. Anyway, no, I was going to say what else I did. Apart from that, I did those holes on the top of the door, like that one. They went better. Those went better. I haven't started, but I did do some of the back ones. So, I haven't touched either side of there, but we're going to do that soon. But as you see, in the that's what we got ahead, is that every bit we get done is a bit we ain't got to do again. So as it stands at the moment, we're now starting to get it come together. I love it when a car comes together. The other thing is, DHL let us down, didn't they? DHL never delivered my filler. So I'm going to turn you off there, guys, because frankly, I don't think I can keep going. I don't think I can stand anymore. But anyway, so as I said, like, subscribe, follow us about, and she does look good there, doesn't she? Well, there we go. What do you think of that? Does that look better? I think it looks pretty good. Obviously, once this one gets done, we'll match that side, and then we'll get that ground out, and we'll get those doors tomorrow, and I'm hopefully going to pick the paint up. So, if all that gets done, then yes, maybe by the weekend it'll be into primer. But yeah, nice. I get some stopper as well, maybe. But yeah, nice. Doesn't it look so much different when you see it like that to when you see it like that? Yeah, huge difference. There you go. So that's it. That's just a quick sort of autofill of rubbish there. That just shows that a couple of hours, jobs are good. So like I say, car's coming on. Tomorrow hopefully it'll get a bit more done. We'll see you soon. Bye for now. Oh, by the way, don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me back, blah blah blah.